Just when you thought climate change couldn't get any more personal, it's now coming for your childhood heroes. That's right, Nemo is shrinking. Scientists say our favorite orange and white striped clownfish are literally downsizing to survive underwater heat waves. Forget gym memberships, these fish are embracing extreme minimalism just to stay alive. Here's a closer look at the climate crisis, told through the tiny fins and a whole lot of survival instinct.
In a world where climate change is turning up the heat literally, scientists have discovered that clownfish are responding to marine heat waves not by fleeing or fighting, but by shrinking. A research team from Newcastle University and the Mahonia Nadari Conservation and Research Centre tracked 134 clownfish, the orange and white striped kind that scream Nemo, off the coast of Papua New Guinea during a heat wave. About 101 of them downsized their bodies at least once during the study period.
Something started happening with the numbers of our measures that was very confusing. And we kept looking at our methods and everything was okay. And it turns out that these fish were actually shrinking. Now, this is something that was really surprising because most vertebrates go in one direction with their growth. They might stop growing at some point in their life.
So why the sudden seafood slim down? Experts say it might be about survival efficiency. Smaller fish need less food and oxygen, both of which are harder to come by when your home is basically sunbathing itself to death. With waters up to 4 degrees Celsius hotter than usual, the anemones get bleached, food gets scarce, and clownfish, well, they start their tropical juice cleanse. And it's not just solo shrinking. Breeding pairs of clownfish appear to coordinate their shrinkage, particularly the males who tactfully remain smaller than their female partners.
For anemone fish, for Nemos, the social environment is really important, just as important as their abiotic environment, so things like temperature. And their social environment is the other fish that they live with in the anemone.
In clownfish society, size isn't just vanity, it's hierarchy. The female is always the biggest boss fish, followed by her mate. And the rest of the gang waits patiently in the kiddie pool of social status. So when the heat's on, maintaining the pecking order requires synchronized shrinking. Relationship goals, but marine edition. Other species like marine iguanas in the Galapagos have also been caught shrinking under heat stress. But until now, coral reef fish weren't known to partake in this bizarre